Hi, I'm going to show you how to get your book online. Our book is called Way to Go, and here's how you get there. First, search for Tichon Kvutzat Yavne and click here to get to the school's website. All the way on the bottom of the page, you'll see here you can go into Google Classroom, and here we can go into Hayalkut Digitali. You'll have to sign in with your Hizdahut Misrad HaChinuch. If you don't have your Hizdahut Misrad HaChinuch, you can fill in here your Tudat Zehut, and they will send you by SMS a code, and then you can enter your information. Okay, so I'm just going to choose here. So now you'll get to the page, the OFEC page, and you'll click here where it says Lemitziat Sefer HaLimud, Samnu Kita Mitzkoa, Lamida Ne'ima, Kotar. And here you go into Kotar. And in Kotar, you'll see all kinds of choices. You could just search up here for Way to Go. That's our book. Or you can look at Anglit, Eric Cohen Books, Grade 7. And here you'll see all of the books. This is our book, Way to Go. And this is our workbook. That's also Way to Go. So you just click on here, Way to Go, and here we have our book. Already, Way to Go. Great job. Looking forward to learning with you.